Hey Aaron at Redbird Speed here. I want to talk to you a little bit about 67 to 69 Camaro rear ends and what options you have. So there's a few things to look at. Number one, type of rear end. So you've got an option for a 12 bolt, Ford 9-inch. You could do a Dana 60, and you could even do an 8.8 if you wanted to. You get the leaf spring style suspension on there, so you could put those on any tube. We use 3-inch tube stock, 1/4-inch thick wall. Another thing, if you want to narrow this rear, they're all made to order. So if you told me I've got a first gen Camaro factory width of 60-inch wheel to wheel and I want to bring it in 1 inch per side, do a 58-inch wheel to wheel because you're running a mini tub kit, we can do that. They're all made to order. So 2-day build time doesn't affect the price, doesn't affect the lead time. Next, we have, I mentioned the mounts. You could, like, if you want to run Caltracs or you're doing something like that and you want to do a 2.5-inch flat perch, we can take the lace ring perches and substitute those for a 2.5-inch flat perch and box them in for extra strength. Next, we have housing ends and brakes. Typically, on a new construction rear, we use a big Ford New Style Trio end. That's going to open you up to any brake manufacturer having kits available for that. We can set it up to work with your factory drum brakes. If you've got a big Ford old style brake kit from another project, you want to reuse it, or you want to use some Explorer brakes or whatever you're doing, we'll make that work for what you're doing here. Finally, option to assemble. We do them a couple different ways. So you could do just a housing and a set of axles. If you want to do a 12 bolt, you can have all the internals set up in the housing and do what we call a build to order, where you get a housing, internals in it, do your own brakes. You can do that. We also offer a service where you can get the thing fully assembled. So if you want Willwood brakes on it, Bear brakes on it, an economy brake, we have options. I can send you a rear end fully assembled in a wooden crate ready to bolt in. I'll put a link below. You can call us. There's a link to check out axles, housings, suspension components. I mentioned the Caltracs. We got QA1, we got Ride Tech. So we have a lot to offer there. So any questions, we got diff parts, we got all kinds of parts. So give us a call, reach out to us. Don't be afraid to shoot us a message, call us. We appreciate you checking out the video. We'll save you money on these parts. So we'll get you name brand quality parts, shipped direct from the manufacturer. No reason not to give us a call. Have a good one.